Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. So guys, in this video we are going to learn these beautiful quilling fillers, and these all are having different methods, and guys, if you use them as filler in quilling projects, so this will look really beautiful. So guys, if you like this video, so please give this video a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel guys for more videos like this. So yeah, without wasting any time, let's directly dive into today's video. So firstly, I'll show you how to make this one. For that you need a paper strip, a quilling strip, roll it, make a tight coil and loose a tight coil, and now secure the ends using glue. Now press it between your fingers like this. Now you have here a leaf shape. Now I'm taking here a tiny strip like this. So yeah, it's done. I have created some more. Now I'm taking here a big quilling strip. I'm applying some glue on it. I'm folding it into half so that I can have a thick strip. Now we are going to assemble this filler. So you have to do the same that I am doing in the video. So yeah guys, it's done. It's super easy and super cute. Now let's move to the second one. For this, all you have to do is just take a paper strip, make a tight coil out of it, secure the ends, and now press it a bit inside with the using of your quilling slot like this. You'll have a dome kind of shape. Fill it with glue. I have created some more in different sizes. So now I'm here taking a strip. I'm folding it into half so that I can make it a thick strip. Just fold it twice or thrice. And now we are going to assemble our fillers. So assemble all these like this. And now it's done. And now let's move to this cute flower filler. Make a tight coil. And now I have created some more tight coils. And I have created one tight coil in a different color. Now I'm taking here my red tight coil, taking a strip, just applying some glue on it, and wrap your strip around this tight coil. And now we are going to assemble all the tight coils. It will look like a flower. So it's done. I have created two same more. So now I'm going to attach And yeah, it's done. Super cute, right? Yeah, so let's move to this one. This is the easiest one. Just take a paper strip, make a tight coil out of it. Now take a different color paper strip, apply some glue on it and wrap it around a tight coil. Now I have created some more in different sizes. So just assemble all this together. And guys, if you want to learn how to make basic shapes as a beginner, so please go and watch my video on my channel. I'm giving you the link in the description box. And now I'll show you how to make this cute fringe flower filler. For that, I'm taking here 10 mm strip, making fringes on this. Attach a quilling strip with this fringe strip and now make a tight coil out of it. Attach this with the using of glue. Now open the fringes of the flower. Here. Now take a paper strip, apply some glue on it, wrap it around your fringe flower. I have created 2 more. I'm just curving it and attaching it with my first one. And if you want to learn different kind of fringe flowers, so I'm giving you the link in the description box. So go and check that out too. And now I'll show you how to make this one. For that, take a paper strip, roll it, loose the coil, now apply some glue on it. Give it an eye shape, like this. And now I have created some more here. Now take a paper strip, apply some glue on it. Wrap the strip around your eye shape. I'm attaching these as well. And guys, here I have created 2 more. So attach them it as well. Now I'll show you how to make this one, and this is type 2 leaf filler. Take a paper strip, make a tight coil out of it and just loose the coil, secure the ends and give it an eye shape. You have to repeat the same process. Take a strip, just wrap around it. I have created some more like this, and now I'm attaching them together. So yeah, it's done. And now let's move to this one. For that, take 2 different color strips. I'm folding my one strip and just arrange them like this. And now I'm making a tight coil out of it. Secure it with using glue. Now take a different color strip, apply some glue on it. Just wrap it around your tight coil. Yeah, like this. I have created 2 different more. Now we'll attach them. So yeah, it is also done. Now let's move to this one. Firstly, make a loop. Wrap your strip around it. I have making 2 to 3 loops here. Now secure the ends. I have created 2 more here. Now take a same color strip, apply some glue on it, wrap your loop around it. Now attach the other one as well. So it's done. Now let's move to this cute heart filler. For that, I am just joining 2 strips together. Make a tight coil and just press it like this, and now wrap your remaining strip around it. Secure it with a glue. Now take a paper strip, apply some glue on it, and wrap your strip around it. I have created 1 more teardrop shape, and now I'll attach them together like this. So it will look like a heart shape, like this. I have created some more. Now I'm just covering it and attaching it. So guys, this is all about today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it and learned some different kind of fillers as well. And guys, if you liked it, so give this video a big fatty thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel guys for more videos like this. And guys, yeah, I'll see you soon in the next video. Until you stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.